Join here. Yes. If you have any doubts, please come for this. Guys, Samrin, you want me to explain the paper pattern? So try to understand the questions which are related to the PG entrance. I am going to explain you the paper pattern. So you can see the syllabus copy on the screen as well. You can see it here, right? Yeah. So you can see some part of syllabus which is related to the MCOM entrance, CPC syllabus. I guess you guys all are aware of all these things, right? Yes. Yeah, you can see here. So what kind of things that generally you can see here? Business laws, financial accounting, corporate accounting. Yes. Auditing, fundamentals of information technology, business economics, business organization management, business statistics, general English, general knowledge. So what is your doubt now? Try to understand. So what is your doubt, Samrin Sultana? What do you want me to tell? Oh, so you need not to worry at all. You need not to worry at all. So whatever the things it might be clear with the basic things in MCOM entrance generally, which is relating to the Osmania University, that is CPE set, whatever it might be. So common post graduation entrance test will be conducted on very basic nature. Please feel free to revise the entire content of financial accounting basic concepts. You should be very much clear with regards to the basic concepts. So starting from the bookkeeping, so whatever it might be, the bookkeeping, so the journalizing, so be very clear with the specific journal entries, okay, special items, balance. So in the trial balance you will find the balances, the statement of balances, the debit and credit balances of the various accounts. So be specific. Then after, so in the final accounts you should be very much clear with which items comes into the which accounts or the balance sheet, whatever it might be. So generally the PG entrance, this kind of questions will be focused, like they will be giving you the particular some items, some assets, some liability items, and they will be asking you to find the value of capital. So what does it mean? In the some part of liability. So the generally what will be the balance? The balance is like the balance will be the capital, right? So in the same way, going to the rectification of errors, you have to know what are the types of errors. So which kind of error, which kind of error speaks about what are the principles, okay? You have to be very much clear. Yeah, bank reconciliation statement, is a very important topic. They will give you a few items. They will ask you to prepare, to find out the balance as per the passbook. They will be giving you the balance as per the cash book. They will be asking you to get the value of balance as per the passbook, or reverse, whatever it might be. So you have to be very clear with that kind of concepts, very kind enough with regards to the financial accounting. Coming to the corporate accounting, in the corporate accounting you have to be very much familiar with some kind of valuation of goodwill. Generally you will get one question, 100% sure you will be getting a question from the goodwill together and making some business, right? So these kind of things, whatever it might be, so these kind of things will really help you to get the values. In the amalgamation you need to find out the value of the purchase consideration. So whatever the value that is being given by the purchasing company to the selling company is called as purchasing share. So there are some methods of calculating the purchase consideration. Amalgamation in the nature of purchase. So what is the difference between both of two? If the amalgamation satisfies those five conditions, then it will be called as like amalgamation in the nature of merger. If the company or if the amalgamation process do not satisfy any one or more than one conditions, then automatically it comes under the amalgamation in the nature of purchase. If the amalgamation in the nature of merger, pooling interest method will be whatever it might be, the pooling method will be considered for the valuation, right, for the accounting perspective. Where in the case of amalgamation in the nature of purchase, generally the purchase method will be considered for the accounting, the amalgamation. Then next chapter. So you will be generally they will be asking you to prepare the value of purchase consideration, if I'm sure. Yes, 100% you may get the question from the valuation of purchase consideration. So they may they may not ask, they may purchase consideration will be asked in the two different ways. So one, they will be giving you the modes of the payment, and you have to total the modes, total the value of the total, you have to total the modes of different sources of the purchase consideration is a one model. And second model, they will be giving you directly the purchase consideration, and they will ask you to find out how many shares do the purchase company has to pay to the selling share if the purchase consideration is this much. For example, let us go with, so let us take an example. Purchasing company is giving to the selling company, a purchase company would like to give you some part of purchase consideration. For example, let us take example of 1 lakh rupees. Purchasing company should pay to the selling company the 1 lakh rupee in the mode of purchase consideration. So that how many shares do the purchasing company has to give to the selling company of rupees 10 each. Rupees 10 each per share, the value is 10 rupees. How many shares it has to give? The total value is purchase consideration is 1 lakh rupee. For that 1 lakh rupee, the purchasing company is giving in the form of shares of rupees 10 each. It has to give 10,000 shares. 10,000 into 10 goes for the 1 lakh. Yes, I hope this is very clear. Samrin Sultana, is it audible to you? Are you understanding what I am speaking? Neetha Nani, are you understanding what I am speaking? I hope it is very clear, but please respond. I am not sure that whether whatever the things I am speaking to you was really audible or not. I don't know. Yeah, fine. Samrin Sultana, you are responding very well. Very good. So what kind of doubts you have generally? Please come with your doubts. What kind of questions do you have more? Sure, Samran. I will be sending you the PDF. Yes. Any more doubts, please? Yes. Yeah, Neha, I'm going to send you the PDF. No worries. Please ping me. Please message me on personal. Please chat me, Neha. Any more questions? See, I'm going to start more questions. I will come back to you. No worries. So, if you have any questions, come back. That's okay, Neha Nani. Not required of any thanks. To thank you so much. Not really required. I'm here to help you guys. No worries. Share this live to your friends. What else? Share the live to your friends to join here. Ask them to join. Hey Prithviraj, how are you? What kind of questions generally you like to ask about MCOM entrance? Hey, I am fine, Prithviraj. So, how's your preparation? Is everything going smooth? Or you have any questions? Please feel free to ask those questions. Yes. Any more questions, guys? So, welcome to the new members. Now, only the 7 guys are on the live. Yes. Nihalani, you don't have my WhatsApp number? Give me, so you do one thing. Any more joinings? Rani.